So that is what her doubt. So let us see that now. So if you'll observe, so this is what the desert plants we used to call. Yes, this is what we used to call as
Loading.
yes or no, ma? So if you'll observe them here, you check it. There itself, there is no particular kind of leaves. It is looks like completely like a stem. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Understanding?
Yes, sir.
So they are all having, see this completely they are looking green in color. Means in the sense of they contains what? They contains what?
Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll. Green pigment are called as chlorophyll. That is why they can absorb sunlight. Understand, Ashika?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So now,
Without water, how there's photosynthesis process?
water?
Sir, without any water, how's the photosynthesis process?
They have water, stored water. That is why their roots will be going very, very deep inside. And sorry, deserts also having oasis. Is it yes or no? And
Yes,
very rarely, deserts means there is no complete, no rain in even years. Definitely rain will be there. So during that time, whenever they have a availability of water, they will stored inside like a camel. Understand, Karthikeyan?
Yes, sir.
But if they will have a more number of leaves and they will open the stomata during daytime, then the loss of water is more. So that they can, the storage water will be evaporate very fastly through the process of transpiration. So later they will die, correct or not? That is the reason why they cannot absorb carbon dioxide during the daytime. Understand, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
That is. So now, if you'll observe here, the next one which we are going to study is necessary conditions. Understanding conditions necessary for photosynthesis. All of you keep reading. Conditions necessary. Conditions necessary for photosynthesis. So as we already know that you people are all told, understanding 4 conditions necessary for photosynthesis in that understanding. So as even it has been proved by experiments also. So they are the first one. What is the first one? First necessary condition must have
Chlorophyll.
sunlight.
Sunlight.
Next one, sunlight should be absorbed by whom?
Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll. Next, it is also must be
Carbon dioxide.
carbon dioxide. After absorbing sunlight, carbon dioxide. Dioxide.
Sir, what?
After, even though you have a carbon dioxide, then
Water.
Water. Without this, sir, if I will keep 3, is it possible to take place the process? No. Without any one thing, if even a single one is missing in this 4, then the photosynthesis reaction won't be takes place. So to prove that for this all understanding, it has been found by experiments that the presence of the sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, and water understanding is necessary for the process of photosynthesis. So without any one of it also, the photosynthesis reaction won't be takes place. To verify that, we will do 4 different activities by avoiding one by one in each step. First activity by not providing sunlight. Next one by not providing chlorophyll, means stop the chlorophyll. Next, how you can stop means we can stop the chlorophyll to not expose to sunlight. That is, I will teach the activities, no issues. Next, not providing carbon dioxide and not providing water. So now, if you'll observe here, please remember the conditions necessary for photosynthesis are also the conditions necessary for all the kind of one mode of nutrition. What is that nutrition? Please tell me. These conditions are necessary for one kind of nutrition, mode of nutrition. What is that? Autotrophic nutrition.
Autotrophic.
Very good. Understanding. So that is also few times indirectly they may ask question. What is the necessary conditions required for autotrophic nutrition? Are sir not taught. What is that? Autotrophic mode of nutrition means photosynthesis only. Is it yes or no? Yes, all of you. So these are the same conditions, necessary conditions which are required for us. a type of mode, understanding, mode of nutrition called as, what is that?
Autotrophic mono.
Autotrophic nutrition.
Autotrophic nutrition. That is also you should remember. By the time I have not taught, sir, you are not taught by this time you are saying now. That is both are same. So here you remember, we will describe some experiments to show that sunlight, chlorophyll, and carbon dioxide are necessary for photosynthesis by green plants. So these experiments will also show that, understanding, only leaves finally make starch as food by photosynthesis. No other part of the plants can make the food. Only who is the production of food in plant? Who is the production of food in plant? Only
Leaves.
leaves. So that food is only supplied throughout the plant for their biological activities. Now, so if it comes to this
Sir, I
experiment,
have a doubt.
ask me.
Sir, can we say stomata as one of the conditions necessary because it is absorbing carbon dioxide now?
Where am I?
Oh, sir, stomata as one of the conditions. Can we say stomata as one of the conditions?
Speak loudly once again. Please repeat your question, Ashika. Louder.
Sir, can we say stomata as one of the conditions necessary for photosynthesis?
Stomata. See, stomata is present in all the green leaves. What is the use of, what is the function of them means absorbing carbon dioxide. Stomata will be present with or without absorbing carbon dioxide. Understanding, Ashika? If you're not providing carbon dioxide, also stomata will be there. But if you are providing carbon dioxide, they will just absorb that and they will allow us to allow the plants to take place the photosynthesis. Means in the sense of it is not. If you are using a chlorophyll, means green leaves, means in the sense of definitely they have understanding stomata. Stomata is just a part for allowing gases. That's all. Nothing is there.
Sir, in cactus and all that, then starch will form in the stem itself also. Sir.
Starch itself will form in the form of leaves itself. Glucose will form in the leaves. That glucose only will transport to the throughout the plant, and excess glucose also will be stored in the leaves only. Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Then cactus only no leaves, no, sir. Then how, sir, it will form?
What desert plants are?
Yes, sir.
Yes, desert plants who said no leaves. That leaves are modified like a stem. Understand, Alni? Because of to reduce the loss of water. Because of to reduce the loss of water. Because desert there is no amount of water is available. The available water is very, very less. So to sustain a long period of time, understanding that they will understanding modified their stem, leaves, branches, everything like a stem. You understand, Amma?
Yes, sir.
That is why they contains full body looks like a chlorophyll.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Alni.
Yes, sir.
That is the reason behind. They are also having leaves. That leaves are modified like a stem.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now if you will see, that is why you may watch in few movies also. Desert, they will go and they will cut like the trees. From that, they used to get a water droplets. They used to drink that. Have you noticed it?
Yes, sir.
Not noticed. In deserts, they used to cut the branches of that and they used to get some kind of water droplets will fall down. That only they will drink. Some Hollywood movies also I have watched. You are not
Yes, sir.
watching movies? You may observe next time old movies. If you will see, you can see. One of the movies, Bhairav Deepam, I don't know in Tamil. Telugu, Rosa.
In
Balakrishna and Rosa is acted. In that you can watch that plant. I will send you that video also if you want. With that you can see inside water will be stored, but that water they cannot spend by one day because it is a long process and water is not available. Sufficient water is not there in desert, so that they will utilize slowly. Understand, Ali?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Sir,
now
bamboo trees. Sir, in bamboo trees also water stored.
What I am not understand?
Sir, in bamboo trees also water stored.
No, bamboo trees. You have you noticed it? Bamboo trees is having a not having water, but it is a one type of plant can grow in even deserts also. Everywhere it can grow, but less consumption of water. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So if we'll see here, This is now let us see the experiment. So the experiments on photosynthesis depend on the fact that only the green leaves make starch as a food. Understand? Only the green leaves make a starch as a food. So let us see now. And the starch gives a blue-black color with iodine solution. So if they're really making the starch, if they're really making the food, the green leaves, then if you keep the understanding iodine solution on it. Iodine solution. What we should keep, Amma? Iodine solution. Tell me, this iodine solution, you will add it to the green leaves, which they are really producing the starch. They will turns into, and that leaves will turns into
Blue.
Will turns into what? Blue and
Blue
black.
color.
Blue and black color. So means in the sense of after the activity, if we'll add the iodine droplets, then if it turns into blue and black, means in the sense of it is production of food or not producing food.
Production of.
Production of food. That is the experiment which you should remember. Now, let us go for all the plants have starch in their green leaves. So before we can use a plant in photosynthesis experiment, first step which we people need to do means, sir, I will take the plant from my garden and I will keep iodine. Definitely it will turns into blue-black. Why? Anybody? Why?
Because the production of food is taking place, sir.
Because already
The
food
starch
reaction
present in
takes
it.
place and the food is already stored in the green leaves. Is it yes or no?
Yes. sir.
Yes.
So the
That is
starch
what
present.
it will directly bring the plant from the garden or from the outside, and if we test the iodine solution, definitely it will turn into green leaf. But it is not what we want. Is it yes or no? We should need to prove that chlorophyll must be involving in the photosynthesis reaction, and because of it only the photosynthesis reaction is taking place. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So for that purpose, what we people will do means, understand? So we won't take the direct plant which is coming from the direct our garden or somewhere. Understand? So ordinarily all the plants have starch in their green leaves. So before we use, understanding a plant in photosynthesis experiment, the initial starch which is present in its leaves must be removed. How we can remove? Anybody? How we can remove? Sir, I can
Without
remove
keeping
my hand.
in sunlight. Without keeping
Must
in
be
sunlight, you
removed.
can.
It must be removed before it's going for experiment. How?
Without keeping in sunlight means it
Dark
will
place.
not do photosynthesis,
That is
so that it will
very
consume
good.
all the
Alvin.
starch
That is
present
you
in it.
others also you can speak. Yeah, very simple. Because let's see how. So these green leaves of plants are distracted by keeping this plant in a completely dark place. We should not expose to the sunlight. Understand? So if you want to prove that, understanding a starch is forming in the green leaves because of sunlight and chlorophyll. So to avoid that, to do the experiment, please keep it in a very dark place. Very dark place. Understanding? Or else a dark room for at least, understanding, 3 days. How many days? At least how many days?
3 days, sir.
3 days. Like a polar bear. 6 months will eat,
3 days.
6 months will sleep. So that 6 months, how, sir? Is it somebody is feeding to the polar bear? Who is feeding the 6 months sleep? During the 6 months sleep, polar bear, how it is sustaining?
Storing food.
Because
Before going to
Arya,
hibernation, it will
because
it will store whatever.
because it will make the more amount of fat during when it is awake. So that fat only will be start converting into the energy for the next 6 months of sleep period. Is it yes or no? The same way, when you will keep the plant
Yes,
in 3 days a complete dark place or else a dark room, then the stored food which is present in the green leaves called as starch will be utilized by the plant completely. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is what understanding.
Yes,
Once
sir.
the starch will be completely utilized, then what will happen? Green leaves does not contain any kind of glucose or starch because it is not exposed to the sunlight. Maybe water is having, maybe carbon dioxide is having,
Sunlight.
but there is no sunlight, so there is no kind of production of starch or glucose. Now you see, when the plant is kept in a dark place, it cannot make more starch by photosynthesis because because of why? No
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 sunlight.
sunlight.
No sunlight. Hey, don't think that. Then Dileepan like student will come. So then can I on my tube light in my room? Don't do that. Understand? If you on the tube light also, it is a light energy only. It is enough to do the photosynthesis reaction. You understand? Dileepana?
Yes, sir.
You have to keep it in dark room. There is no light. Completely must be it is in dark. Then only it will. So now, if you observe here, understand? So during this, what will happen? If you kept in a dark place, they will utilize all the starch already stored in leaves during the respiration process. So the plant will use up all the starch stored in its leaves in about at least minimum 3 or 4 days. Within 3 or 4 days, completely it is utilized. So after about 3 days, the plant leaves will not have any kind of starch which is left in them. Completely will be utilized for the respiration of plant. Now, we can say that the leaves have been de-starched, means in the sense of water. The leaves are de-starched. What is the meaning of de-starched? Means in the sense of, what is the meaning of
Fully
de-starched?
consumed by the plant.
Huh?
No, no.
What is the meaning of de-starched?
The starch
Removal of
Word
starch.
itself
into
is
the
having a
plants,
meaning.
sir, so
What is the meaning of de-starched? Means
Removal of starch.
understand,
removal of
it does not contain any starch. Means
any starch.
starch is removed from the plants, removed from the leaves, then that is only called as de-starched leaf. Understanding? De-starched leaf means no starch is present in the leaf is called as de-starched leaves. Understand, Pranita? So that is the meaning of de-starched. So this plant will de-starch leaves we can use in the photosynthesis experiments. Understanding? So also you remember we'll be using a plant growing in a pot in this experiment. It is even more better. Just simply plucking from the ground, it is not convenient for us because we have to transport somewhere depend upon the conditions, so that you have to take in your home. If you all people are having good homes and you are having gardens, I know that you all people are growing the plants. Understand? So now you people please take a plant which is potted plant. What is the meaning of potted plant? What is the meaning of potted plant?
The plant
Planted in
which is in pot. The plant which is in pot.
Which is potted like a bowl. In the bowl which is potted, which is a potted. You please take that bowl. Understand? I am very good in drawing. So like this plant you should take all of it. Understand? Which is a potted plant, potted in a some kind of a planted in a some kind of pot kind of thing. Potted plant, because then only we can carry and we can pour the water it is required. Understand? So like this plant we should take. So now, as we know that we have already removed starch from this plant. Understand? So only now these starched leaves means all the leaves does not contain any kind of starch. Now, experiments to show that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. First we will do. So what is the main primary condition for photosynthesis? Sunlight is only. Is it yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So now, let's see the experiment to show that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis reaction. This one you people can do. All of you people can do this activity in our home also. Understand? So let us take for example, how we can do the activity means, I have to take a potted plant having a green leaves and place it a completely dark place for about 3 days. What is the use of keeping 3 days, Ra? Nobody
So
knows.
no photosynthesis will
No,
take place.
Why
no
we are
sunlight.
keeping 3 days? Because to de-starch its leaves. To de-starch. Use scientific words. That is what I am saying again and again. De-starch its leaves. Means in the sense of removing starch from its leaves. De-starch its leaves. So, in the beginning of the experiment, the leaves do not have any starch in them. That is the first step which we have to do it. Now, second step involved. I have taken one potted plant and removed the starch. Second step, take a thin strip of aluminum foil. You may know that, or else black pepper, any kind of black pepper you take, or else aluminum foil. If you go to Sastra Mess and all, they people will give aluminum coil. All the packing will be in aluminum only. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Or else, if you'll see some hotels, some costly hotels, they will give, if you'll ask chapati and all, they will wound, they will bind it in a aluminum foil. Is it, have you noticed it? Have you observed?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So take that, don't need to purchase. If you have, take that aluminum foil, or else if your parents will provide, you can take it. Or else we have always alternative. So the first step after, you play, just to take the strip of aluminum foil, or else any kind of black paper. Any kind of black paper. See, this experiments is not going to come in exam, but we should know the process involved. Understand? So aluminum foil or black paper, and wrap it in the center of one leaf on both the sides. Both the sides. Understanding? Means in the sense of the, sir, I will remove this leaf from the plant and I will make it. It is not. So that leaf must be stick to the plant or not? That leaf must attach it to the plant. Are you people understand, Ra? That leaf should not detach from the plant. That leaf should be attached to the plant. Let me take, this is only a very big leaf to show the activity I am showing. So this is the leaf which I have taken. Understanding? So this is my leaf. Now I have taken a strip of aluminum foil and both the sides I have to cover like this. All of you should do this. This is aluminum foil. What is this, Amma?
Aluminium foil.
Aluminum foil, or you can keep any kind of black paper. Both the sides it should cover. Now, the aluminum foil should be fixed very tightly to the leaf by using paper clips. Don't keep rubber bands and don't make the leaf to fold. Just place the paper clips. Paper clips, you all people are familiar. Mount Zion School will give freely paper clips, so many, correct? So you can keep the paper clips, just should not hurt the leaf. Aluminum foil and leaf, you should keep it. Understand? So once the aluminum foil should be fixed tightly to the leaf by using paper clips so that sunlight may not enter it from the sides. Sides, it should not enter. That is also you should remember. Understand? So the aluminum foil should cover only a small part of the leaf so that the remaining part of the leaf, what will happen, Ra? Remaining part of the leaf, what will happen? Still it is exposing to the uncovered, means in the sense of it is exposed to the sunlight. Is it yes or no? Speak.
Sir.
We have covered only center of the plant, center part of the leaf with aluminum foil so that sunlight may not fall on this covered part of the leaf and the remaining uncovered part of the leaf is exposed to the sunlight. So now keep this potted plant, understanding, in a bright sunshine for a 3 to 4 days. How many days, Ra? Again, we have to expose to
3 to
3 or 4 days to sunlight. 4 days to sunlight. Then what will happen again? Uncovered part of the leaf. Uncovered part of the leaf. What will happen? So the photosynthesis reaction will take place. Now, after the 4 days, 3 or 4 days, understanding, after 3 or 4 days, plug the partially covered leaf. Remove this paper clips and remove the aluminum foil. Plug this, understanding, and you observe that, understanding, immerse this complete leaf. Take that leaf, detach. Now you can detach from the plant. Understanding, remove from the plant, and you can just immerse, understanding, or else completely just keep it inside the boiling water for a few minutes. In where? You have to immerse. Understand? You have to immerse in where?
Boiling water.
Immerse in boiling water. Be very careful. Don't keep your hand. Understand? Boiling water. For this, no chemical is required. That is what I am saying you to you people do it. Boiling water for few minutes. For few minutes. Then you can see that. Understand? The break down the cell membranes of leaf cells and make the leaf more permeable to iodine solution. Understand? So that is why we should immerse it in the boiling water. If you immerse it, understanding, then what will happen means the break down the cell membranes which is present inside the leaf. We have studied the class 9th, we have studied the cell structure. Inside it is containing cell membrane, cell wall and all. Have you remembered? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if you keep it in a boiling water, what will happen means, then we can observe the change in color with iodine solution very, very easily. That is the reason. If you keep it in the water, boiling water, then the cell membranes which is present inside, the cell membranes of the leaves, understanding, and they will start detaching, they will start breakdown, understanding, so that it can easily more permeable to iodine solution. So it may reach the starch present inside the leaf cells. That is the reason iodine can go inside the leaves where the starch is present, so that only we can observe the black blue color, understanding. So this experiment if you have done later, if it comes to now, understanding, fifth step, after immersing in a boiling water, what will happen? It is ready for, it is testing for the presence of starch now. So before testing for starch, chlorophyll has to be removed from the leaf. How we can remove the chlorophyll, Ra? How we can remove the chlorophyll? Before I have immersed in water so that the cell membranes break down. That's all. So that if I'll keep the iodine, it will go inside. So how we can remove the chlorophyll, please? How we can remove, yeah? How to remove chlorophyll? I have already told you, correct? How we can remove chlorophyll, I'm asking.
By boiling, sir.
Ah?
By
That-
boiling water.
That is understanding. So that is the reason, understanding, if you make the cell membranes, then it can easily, understanding, the iodine solution will go into the inside the starch where it is present. So now after that, if you keep, understanding, any kind of iodine droplets, understanding, iodine droplets, then you can see that except that covered plant, remaining all the green leaf, understanding, will be turned
Sir,
into
green leaf we can apply.
water.
The green leaf we can apply alcohol also, that the chlorophyll will go.
Yeah, if you apply alcohol also, that is the one of the process. Understanding? Yes, that is also I forgot. So what will happen means, if you'll just plug the leaf in a beaker containing some alcohol, then the beaker containing alcohol and the leaf in a water bath, just it will be, the water bath is being used for heating alcohol, because if you start heating, then slowly that because of that directly heating over a flame, that what will happen, that chlorophyll, everything will be removed. So now this heat water in the very big beaker, the alcohol in the smaller beaker will also get heated and starch will start boiling soon. Understand? If you start heating. So this boiling alcohol will extract everything chlorophyll from the green leaf, so that the leaf will become free from the chlorophyll. Now, if we heat this green leaf in the alcohol till all its green pigment called as chlorophyll is removed, then what will happen? It will be completely, that chlorophyll is removed, then what will happen, Ra? Alcohol will turn into which color? That chlorophyll is removed from the plant, the green leaf, and it is mixing with alcohol, so that alcohol will turn into which color? Alcohol will turn into which color? I am taking a green color and adding into alcohol. What will happen? I am taking a green color and adding into water. What will happen?
It will change into green color.
Alcohol will change into which color?
Green color.
Green color. Understand? So if we boil this green leaf in alcohol, understand, till that green pigment chlorophyll is removed, then the leaf now becomes almost colorless. The leaf will turn into colorless.
Colorless.
Understand? And the alcohol will turn into green color because of that chlorophyll will be mixing with alcohol because of heating. Now, you remove that colorless leaf from alcohol and wash it thoroughly with a hot water. And over the decolorized leaf with the help of a dropper. Observe, you just put a iodine solution with the help of leaf, with the help of dropper like polio dropper. Then we can see, understanding, change in color of the leaf. So how the color of the leaf will change now? How the color of the leaf will change?
Red brown.
Red brown.
Red.
Black, understand, black. I told you the color called as, what is that? Blue black color. Understand?
Blue black.
Yes.
Except the middle part of the leaf where we have covered with aluminum foil. Remaining all the part of the leaf will be turned into blue black color. And the middle part does not. Because why? Because
There is no chlorophyll or starch.
no starch is present. No starch is present at the mid of the leaves because no photosynthesis reaction is taking place. So
Yes.
we can say that from this experiment, we can say that sunlight is one of the necessary conditions for photosynthesis reaction, because the uncovered part of leaf only will be turned into blue black by adding the iodine solution, and where we have covered with aluminum foil which is not exposed to the sunlight, not turns into blue black by adding iodine solution, means in the sense of starch is not present at the part of where we have covered with the aluminum foil. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is only
So
we can
what
say.
will happen? So what will happen after taking that aluminum foil, sir? It will
What?
also become blue black, sir.
What am I? What are the Dilipan?
Sir, after taking that aluminum foil, it will also turn to blue black only, no, sir?
Which one? That green plant?
Not
This
sir,
part,
that covered
the cover
part.
part. It won't turn because no photosynthesis reaction takes place. So if we'll keep it a iodine solution, except this part, if we'll remove that also, except this part, remaining part of the leaf will turn.
Okay, sir.
Understand, Dilipan?
Yes, sir.
Remaining part only will take place. That part won't be turned into blue black because no photosynthesis reaction takes place. So that no starch is produced. That is the reason. Understanding?
Okay, sir.
Yes. So now, this is about the activity which we have to do. Now from the first, let us come. Let me see who is remembering. What is the first step involved, Ra? What is the first step involved here? To prove that sunlight.
Sir, we need to keep it in.
We have to take a potted plant which is having
Potted plant, cover a
and we
leaf
have to
with
keep it in what? A dark place. About how many days?
Dark place.
About how
3
many
days, sir.
3 to 3 days, sir. 2
3
to
or
3
4
days.
days.
So if we'll keep it in a 3 days, 3 to 4 days or 3 days also, then the starch which is stored present inside will be completely utilized by the plant. Next, second step, we have to take aluminum foil and
Aluminum
paper
foil
clip,
and cover a part of
Covered
it.
with-
Cover the part
cover
of
the mid
the
part of the
Covered
plant
the-
smoothly, and it means in the sense of the light should not enter through the sides. We have to cover both the sides of the leaves with the help of paper clips and
Aluminum foil.
aluminum foil or
Now,
black paper.
after that, we have to keep that potted plant, understanding, in a bright sunshine for 3 or
Sunlight.
3 to 4 days.
3 to
4
4
days.
days.
What will happen if we keep it in a sunlight? What will happen?
It will turn into
Again,
blue black.
photosynthesis
Again, the
reaction.
photosynthesis reaction will take place. Understanding? If we keep this potted plant, understanding, in a bright sunshine for 3 or 4 days, then again the photosynthesis reaction will take place. Later, after that, we people need to understanding, remove that aluminum foil. Remove that aluminum foil.
Foil.
And now immerse that leaf in a boiling water for
Boiling water
few minutes. Why we need to
for few minutes.
boiling water? Because to break down the cell membranes.
Cell membrane.
To break down the cell membranes means
Cell membrane.
when you will pour the iodine solution, then it will go near the starch. That is the reason we should break the cell membranes of leaf cells and make the leaf more permeable to iodine solution. That is the reason why we should keep it few minutes in a boiling water. So after that, what will happen? After that, Now cell membranes has broken. Now we have to remove the chlorophyll also. Because why we should remove the chlorophyll, Ra? Because if you keep the iodine solution, then chlorophyll also will start reacting with iodine. So we may not observe the change properly. So that is the reason chlorophyll interferes in the test for starch due to its green color. So that only we should remove the chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll.
How we can remove the chlorophyll? How we
By
can
applying alcohol.
we have to keep that green leaf. We just pluck the leaf, understanding? Plucked leaf, we have to keep it in a beaker, which is containing
Alcohol.
where?
Alcohol.
What? Alcohol.
Alcohol.
Contains alcohol. Now,
Alcohol.
the beaker containing alcohol and leaf in a water bath, you should not heat directly. You have to take in the sense of, I will say, listen. Sir, why can't we heat directly means alcohol is having low boiling point or more boiling point, high boiling point?
High boiling point.
Alcohol is having very low boiling point so that it can easily evaporate. So that only we should not heat, we should not boil alcohol bowl directly. So I have to take a small beaker which contains alcohol, and in that I will keep my green leaf. Understand? Now, if you see, this one I have to keep a very big bowl which contains water. Which contains what?
Water.
Water. Now, I have to start heating this one. So that indirectly we are heating the alcohol and green leaf. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is the thing you should care here. So, a water bath which can be bigger beaker containing more amount of water, we have to heat it. Because a water bath is being used for heating alcohol. Understand? And alcohol is also, have you noticed it, movies and all, pub and all, alcohol will catch the fire. Have you noticed it or not?
Yes, sir.
That
Yes,
is the
sir.
reason. If we heat the alcohol directly, this is the question should come. Why can't we heat alcohol directly? Because why?
It has low boiling point so that
Low,
it
it
will
is
burn
having a
easily
low
burn.
boiling point as well as it
Low
is,
boiling.
class 8 I only have taught you, flammable substance. It is a
Flammable, yes, sir.
flammable substance, means in the sense of what will happen? It will catch
It catches fire.
the
Fire.
fire. That is the
Right.
reason we should not heat directly. Understand, Kevin? Understand?
Sir.
So this alcohol is very, very highly inflammable or flammable liquid. So if alcohol is heated directly over a flame, then what will happen? Then
It will start.
fire. So that only we have to heat the water in a big beaker. Then the alcohol in the smaller beaker will also get heated indirectly, and the starch boiling soon. The starch will start boiling soon. Understand? And this boiling alcohol will extract completely. It will start removing the chlorophyll from the green leaf. Understand? So once it will start heating indirectly, the green leaf, the green pigment which is present in the green leaf will be absorbed by the alcohol, and this alcohol will turn into which color? Alcohol will be turns into which color?
Green color.
Green color. Green color.
Now, if the green color is removed from the plant, because of green color only, the leaf is in green color. If the green color is removed completely, what will happen? It will turn into
Colorless. Colorless.
colorless. It will turn into colorless. Understand? Or else you can write as a pale color. You may notice it. Colorless or light pale color it will be. So now, once if we remove the understanding chlorophyll, then the leaf will turns into colorless or pale color. Now you should remove that leaf from the alcohol. Understanding? And wash it, understanding, completely with the hot water to soften it and remove any chlorophyll which may be sticking to it. We have to completely wash with the hot water, and we have to with a nice, like a soft cloth, we have to make it dry. Understand? We have to make it soften. Now after, what will happen? Place the colorless leaf in somewhere on a bench or somewhere. Understand? Or else any kind of a dish or somewhere, and add slowly, drop wise, you add iodine solution